Hi, it's Leanne from Beam, and today I wanted to give a little bit of advice to any of you going through a tough time at the moment. So just over a year ago, my father unexpectedly passed away, and in the throes of grief, I did what many of us will do. I went through old messages, I listened to songs, I kind of forced myself to do things that I knew were really going to hurt and upset me. And in the beginning, I think maybe that's necessary in order for us to let some of that pain out. But as the months went on, I decided to start asking myself before I did any of those things, is this going to help me or is this going to hurt me? And this became a really powerful question for me, because sometimes it would really help me to look at a photo or to listen to a song that gave me lovely memories. But sometimes I was doing it just to make myself upset. And then I found out that actually this was a powerful question with anything that I could do. I would ask myself, does this help or hurt me when I was choosing what food to eat or choosing what people to spend time with? So my challenge to you is to ask yourself, does this help me or does this hurt me? And try as much as you can to choose the things that help you. Good luck.